Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 6th, 2021. I wanted to come in and give you the support.com stock short squeeze update. Look at the market. Look what has happened since we did our last video. We was anticipated for the price in support.com to go up, and take a look. It hasn't done it. The price just went back down, and it's something very important, okay, that I'm going to show you on this chart that you all need to be aware of to kind of show us that this short squeeze may in fact be over. So if you guys want to join us, hit me up, join our team, hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. We are going to give you information that you can actually benefit from and that you can learn from. We're not here to hype you up. We're not here to tell you that the support.com stock is going to continue to shoot up past $100. No, that's ridiculous. We got to keep it real. The market is here for everyone to try to make money and others who are not. So you got to be on the right side of the trade in order to win. So if you guys want to join us, like I said, hit me up. We're here because we make this simple and easy to understand. Now, if you guys can remember, okay, from our last video on August the 31st, I told you that this is not a play that you want to be married to, that this is not a play that you're going to hold on to, and that the moment that the price in support.com was to break the support area is over. Expect the price to come down. Even in that video, I told you that the market will come down and try to fill that gap. That is precisely what occurred on September the 1st and September the 2nd. So why would you be surprised to see that the price in support.com is going down? You should have taken the short side and shorted that market in support.com, and you would have accumulated a lot of profitability while the price was going down. While everyone out there is still trying to get you to hope and wish that the short squeeze is still going to happen, pretty much like they're doing with GameStop and AMC, you guys got to realize short squeeze happens quick. You have no opportunity to react in a short squeeze after the fact, right? You have to be in position already in order to win in a short squeeze. Short squeeze don't happen and then you wait 2 months, 3 months, and you still anticipated the market to short squeeze. No. It's a short squeeze because it builds up so much pressure and then it exceedingly explodes without notice. That has already occurred into the market in support.com, right? From August the 26th to the 27th, the market price in support did that short squeeze. Short squeeze don't happen where you get one upward move, comes back down, and then you get another one 6 months down the road. That's not how this works. The market is very dynamic during short squeezes. You have no opportunity to sit back, kick back, and relax and hold on to these plays under the premise that you're going to get another one. No, all of this volume right here that we've seen in support from August the 20th all the way to September the 3rd, these are opportunities to where those who shorted the market in support.com have been buying up. You are not going to get that continually into perpetuity. I mean, this stock was trading around $6 just towards the mid of August and topped out at 60. That is a monumental price increase. That is a short squeeze. If you didn't grab that, if you wasn't in the market position right here on August the 13th or even sooner, what do you expect, right? What are you looking forward to? So yeah, we didn't eat this long, right? We already knew that once the market price in support.com has broken down below our $30 level, we knew that the market was going to go down. Were you able to eat off that? Because our price predicts didn't go right. 15.63% down right there. Okay, we knew that. Now, if you were able to hold on, hoping that the market's going to increase again in support, you're down 39.25% right now on the close of Friday. Now, let me show you, okay, why the short squeeze in support.com may be over. And it's simple. I'm not going to talk about no technical indicators. I'm not going to give you no fundamental analysis. I'm not going to talk about no MACDs, none of that. I'm just going to look at this chart for what it is, right? Now, if the market in support.com still had the ability to go up, right? One thing had to have happened and it didn't. Instead, we got some more rejection, okay? Now, let me show you what it is. I'm not here to convince you. I'm just showing you what the chart has already displayed. You can take it for what it is, but it is what it is because you can't do anything about it. Only thing that we can do is to make sure that we get in position and continue to capitalize on the market move. This one thing occurred in support.com on the last trading day last week. Let me show it to you right here. Now, what in the world does this mean, right? What does this mean? Look at what happened into the market in support.com yesterday, September the 3rd, 2021. You see this ascending line? We was tracking the market price in support.com, right? If we were able to see this price from September the 3rd close towards the high of the bar, right? And close towards the upward ascending line, we've been golden. The prospect of higher price move would still have been on the table if that would have happened. But instead, look, we got rejected on that ascending line. We appreciate the market giving us this information because he's telling us that I'm trying to lower the price in support.com. Just by that alone, if the market truly was strong in support.com, we would have seen the price close on the high of the bar. We would have maintained the price alongside this ascending line. We would be trading above it right now, but that's not the case. So while you might be feeling some type of way, while you might be in some emotional state hoping that the price in support.com goes up, the chart is telling us a different story. We do not need to fall outside of what the chart is telling us. The chart is telling us right now that the weakness in support.com, it is still prevalent and it is still real. So now, since we have broken that trend in support.com, where do you think the market price is going to go now? How low do you think the price is going to go before we find more areas of support? Let's see. This is support.com on a 3-day time frame. First things first, since we have broken the trend, I'm not looking for the price to go up in support.com no more. Not right now. Until we find another basis for support. Until we find another inclination that the market trap is trying to hold a price at a certain price level, the market's going to continue to drop, right? This is the 5-day, right? Look how weak the market is in support.com. If the market truly was still in a short squeeze, the market would not have ended on the low end of the bar. What about on the weekly? Same thing. Now let's look at this on the hourly time frame real quick, okay? Do you see that? The two areas that I'm eyeing the market to hold support is right here first, around $20, right? Which is literally shy from where the market low came in on Friday. Next area would be the 15. Yep, $15. All right. Outside of that, let me see. Yeah, the market still hasn't filled the whole gap from what I told you on our last video in support.com, $20. Yeah, then I'm seeing 15. All right, so let's run a play. This is what I'm showing you all. Now, if we were to run the play and the market still is able to hold $20 once it fills that gap, I mean, that would give us a profitability of about 8%, right? I'm watching that right now because we can literally see the market grab support in support.com at $20, and then the market would try to come back up to higher prices, right? But I'm not really looking at that from a daily perspective. It's something that's on the table. It could happen, but I'm not really looking for that to occur. So I'm going to bring it all the way down to 15 though. Okay, that's around 31% movement to the downside right there. And our restriction point into the market in support.com is going to be right there around $28.92. So if the market price in support.com does not break above $28, maybe $29, then we understand that the weakness is still dominating the market. Okay, right there. So let me switch it back over to the daily. Okay. And this is how the chart looks. We're going to play the weakness into the market in support.com. We have $20 as our first area to grab some of that profit out the market, back down to 15. Now it's your turn. This is what the chart is reading to me. I want to know what you all think about support.com. Do you think that the short squeeze is still going to go on? If so, how low you think the price is going to go before it goes back up? Simple. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.